Kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Wash your hands again and again and listen to the parents whatever they say. I also hope that you may be enjoying in making different recipes. Are you enjoying? Good. Okay, now tell me, in my last video I told you how to make creamy corns with nachos. Right? So did you all try that? I hope you all must have tried that. Was it yummy? Yummy, good. Okay, now today we will learn a new recipe which is very healthy and sweet too. Any guesses what we will make today? We will learn to make a fruit dessert. What we will make today? Fruit dessert. Do you like fruits? I like fruits very much. We must eat fruits daily. Okay? Okay, now tell me, which is your favorite fruit? Okay, I love all fruits. Okay, today we will learn to make a recipe which is fruit dessert. Okay? Now let's start making fruit dessert. Before we start to make it, let me sanitize my hand. I am sanitizing it properly. And wearing apron also. Why I am wearing apron? So that my clothes will not get dirty. Okay. Now let's start making fruit dessert. The ingredients which are required to make fruit dessert in a glass are pieces of almonds, raisins, pomegranate, pieces of grapes, apple, slices of bananas, grapes, milk, honey. We will make this fruit dessert recipe in a glass. Now first take a glass, make a layer of apple first, then add honey into it. Add almonds also. Then make a layer of banana. As I am doing, make a layer of banana. Now again add honey into it. Then again add almonds and also add raisins into it. We must eat dry fruits also. It is very healthy. Now make a layer with grapes. Make a layer of grapes now. Now again add honey into it. Now again add dry fruits, almonds and raisins. As we have done with this, now make a layer of pomegranate. Make a layer of pomegranate Now again add honey. Do you like honey? I like honey very much. It is very healthy. Again add dry fruits, almonds and raisins. Now at the end pour milk in the glass. Now make a layer with banana at the top of the glass. And add pomegranate. Now I am keeping this glass in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Refrigerate it for 2 hours. Now let's decorate the plate with fruits and dry fruits. And keep the grapes like I am doing here at the corner of the plates. At every corner of the plate. As we have done with the grapes, now as we have done the decoration with the grapes, now we are taking pomegranate. Keep the one pomegranate in the middle of the grapes. Now put piece of apple at every corner. As I am doing, you can see that at every corner place a piece of apple. As we have done with the plating, take the glass out from the refrigerator. Now I am taking out the glass. Now it becomes chilled and ready to eat. Isn't it looking tempting? It is looking so yummy, right? Let me taste first, then I'll tell you how is the taste. It's become chilled. Now let me taste first. Very yummy and healthy too. I hope you like the video and you definitely try this at your home, right? Bye bye. See you again.